welcome back to the 365 Challenge, 365 guitar lessons in 365 days. So, we have a loop. It's 4 bars long. We've got a percussive sound on the strings defining the loop. We've added chords, so that was 1, and then 2 was chords, and then 3 was the bass line. And then 4 was the sort of reversed atmospheric wobbly vibratrem stuff. And then number 5 was more percussive stuff with the wah pedal. And then number 6, what was number 6? Number 6 was sort of a little melodic thing with the wah pedal. So let's have a quick listen to what we've got so far. Okay, so it's getting crowded, but that doesn't mean we have to stop adding stuff to it. We could do. We could just jam over the top of that, and that would be fine. But I think it's entirely up to you to decide sort of when you're going to stop adding things to a loop. Now, I think at this stage, perhaps just because I've heard this loop quite a few times now, I'm thinking I'd like to hear something that sort of makes it a little bit more powerful. So, let me see, I'm going to use my, what is this? This is an MXR Classic 108 fuzz pedal. What does that sound like? So, here's my normal sound, and then the fuzz. I need to turn the volume of that pedal up a bit. You've gone all blurry. I was just doing my hand like that, not as some sort of controversial salute, but because my webcam, which is in charge of its own focusing, sometimes goes completely blurry, and I find that if I put my hand out like that, it sometimes refocuses back on me, which is good. So we have this sound. Ooh. Now let's just put. This isn't going to be lead guitar. This is something to add into the track. So do we like it over there? Or do we like it over here? First one. Okay, so let's just try jamming over the top and seeing what we can do. Okay. That wasn't sounding too good to me. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn that down a little bit, a bit less volume and a bit less fuzz. And maybe do some octave stuff. Let's try that. Okay, that I think will work, but what we need to do is make it quieter, otherwise it's just going to dominate everything. So I want quite a lot of fuzz, but I don't want too much volume. Let's try that. So here we go. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to a new note with each chord, but then end up overlaying them. So it might be a B the first time I play over the B minor 7 chord, but the second time I play over the B minor 7 chord, it might be an F sharp. Let's just see how that works out. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's sounding like a pretty full mix. So in the next video, I think we'll just jam over the top of that. See you then.